And this is a follow-up here on this most recent Toro that I've got, model 20041. It's a 2005 model. Toro recycler, electric start, Briggs and Stratton engine, and this is personal pace. And it really cleaned up nice for the age of this mower. I noticed afterwards, it looks like they've replaced the handle on here. Don't think this is the original Briggs and Stratton handle. Probably have replaced the rope maybe, or just the handle. And this is the Toro Charger I used on here, the plug-in part. It came with my model 20034. Has the same connector on the end as this one did, which this was hidden under this label and didn't see it the last time I looked at this. So we charged it for a while. We'll see if that battery's any good. Toro Personal Pace. We'll see if that has charged this battery up enough, thinking this battery more than likely would need to be replaced. And I wish they had the charger, but they didn't. Primer bulb engine. And still not sure if this is a 6.5 or 6.75 engine. I found all the specs on the Toro website, but it didn't cover this engine here. I probably should have looked more on the model number here. Toro generally refers you to the engine manufacturer's website for details. I think it's a 6.75, but you never know. And we cleaned this out underneath. There was a lot of debris in that self-propel unit, and sharpened and balanced this blade. So I'm now going to sharpen the blade here on this latest Toro here, model 20041, electric start, 22-inch recycler. It's like a 2005 model, so we're going to turn this on its side, put this blade tool on. First, we're going to take this spark plug boot off for safety, get this out of the way. And we're going to turn this up, carburetor side up. And now install this blade tool. I'll move this blade so it'll be on the frame here. And this is a great device here. Let me tighten this up, and then we can get this bolt out. And that's a 5/8 inch bolt here. Let's see if this will come out. It definitely was tight, but we got a little muscle on there. And let's get this blade off. And this is our recycler blade. Pretty sure this has been sharpened before. Kind of a gator type blade. So we're going to put an edge on this and check the balance of this and clean some of this debris away from the self-propel unit as well. And this blade is in balance as well. And this blade is in really good shape. Put a slight edge on here and it's in balance. Clean some of this debris away from the self-propel unit, and we're ready to put this blade back on this Toro. And the blade's back on the Toro here. Now we're going to oil up these height adjustments here and see if we can get those freed up on here. Just put a rag under each wheel here as I go, one at a time, and just spray this with some penetrating oil. And just like that, this one freed up. Got 3 more to go here. And that blade was in good condition and in balance. Cleaned up really nice underneath for the age of this mower. And got rid of all that debris and cobwebs that were under here as well. Something I always like to look at when I get these mowers is right in here. This cleaned up nice. Some of the paint's peeling off, but for the age, that is in really good condition. No real major rust on this. And here's the back of this mower after cleaning it up. We've got some paint peeling off, and it just shows age. And that's the model and serial number if this comes out, 20041. 25 is a 2005 model. And it looks like, according to the manuals, this is the only year they made this model. And these height adjustments were all frozen. I was able to get some penetrating oil and get all these freed up to the maximum height here. Just have to free these up one by one. And this was the toughest one to get unfrozen, is this one right here. And didn't have to get the hammer on here. So let's give this Toro, this really nice Toro, its final start here. We'll check, see if this electric start will work now. A very nice condition mower for its age. Like getting these like this. Prime this. I'm going to try the electric start. Got the handle tied back here. See if that battery's going to charge up at all. There we go. Electric start did work. Very smooth. Here's a personal pace. The blade is nice and sharp now. Toro Personal Pace. With electric start. It works. And it runs great.